my life before LabCharge versus my life after LabCharge. My partner and I suffer horribly from seasonal allergies, and it's almost impossible for us to sleep. I'm also allergic to dust and pet dander, which with 2 cats in a 1-bedroom apartment, it's impossible to escape. So finding LabCharge literally changed our lives in a matter of days. We've had it in our bedroom for about a month, and even when we sleep with the windows open, it's like we don't have allergies at all anymore. We're even buying a second one because we've saved so much money on our daily allergy meds. Get yours at labcharge.com with 15% off for a limited time.